Hello everyone, Ike here from Jammin' Mechanics, doing something a little different today. I am rechaining an Anphibius 6x6. And I got the seats tore out, got the engine tore out, the engine platform bolts over top of the gearbox here. Everything with this kind of worked, except that the chains were busted and several of the pulleys are busted. So you can see here, not much of a bearing left in that, but the gearbox still works. The wheels and the wheel bearings are all still there. So we're putting new chains on, a couple new pulleys, fixing a couple issues, and then greasing everything up, getting it all working. I've already gone over this whole thing and actually did, I've installed all new fuel lines, fuel filter, cutoff valve, and then all new wiring. So the wiring converted to a plug setup so that the engine is easy to remove as a module. And yeah, you just pretty much unhook the batteries, unplug that harness there. The whole engine can come out. Here's the other fuel line coming up over. Converted it to an electric fuel pump instead of a vacuum fuel pump. And then fixed everything over here best it could. So for the last hour, I've been pressure washing out all the junk down in the bottom of this thing. Just tons of mud and leaves and all kinds of gunk. Had to scoop a lot of it out by hand, then wash the rest out the back drains. So I got a new key switch, new switch for the headlight, fixed the meter here, and the amp meter too does work, even though it's got a leak. We got some water in there, so that'll have to do for now. But these chains, if anyone's curious, you can get at the local place here that has them is Roll King, and they're really cheap. They're only about 20 bucks for a 10-foot section. The 10-foot section on this will do this chain here and one of the drive chains here. There's the shorter section. So I only needed to buy 4 chains. Does everything here. So it'll do this chain, the intermediate chain, and the drive chain. And then the same over there. So it's about 2 10-foot sections per side. You get the link kit. It's like a kit of 4 little links so that you can cut the chain and put your own links in, obviously, so that you can size them up just right. And as you can see, these are nice and snug. You don't want them crazy tight, but they're so much better than the old nasty ones that were in there, which are right here. And a couple of them broke because they're so rusted up. As soon as I went to drive it, they just snapped. So that's what I'm doing today. Once I get this thing done, it ought to drive pretty nice. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoy watching. Hope it helps someone out, and we'll see you next time.